Cancer, lifestyle disorders. In India, these silent killers claim countless lives every day. We've often heard the quote, prevention is better than cure. But how do we prevent an illness if we don't even know what it would be? That's where screening comes into play. Take a water level sensor. It warns us if the water goes below a certain level. Screening is just that. It reveals any warning signs in our body for an illness. Although prevention in the ideal world means not having an illness at all, we know it's not realistic. There's always a percentage chance that we might develop one. That is why screening is crucial. Did you know? Around 500 million Indians are grappling with at least one lifestyle disorder, implying that every second person is affected. And in most cases, these illnesses are asymptomatic, and especially the early stages of cancer won't even show up any indications unless screened. Yet, preventive healthcare remains out of reach. India has a screening program in place for breast, oral, and cervical cancer, but the national data shows that the screening rates are below 1%, while WHO recommends the screening rates for women to be at least 70%. Premadhara's and Preview's noble mission seamlessly interacts with this pressing issue by screening 1 billion people. Premadhara aims to focus on people with a high risk of developing illnesses coming from low-income and rural areas where health awareness and screenings are not very prevalent. We offer healthcare support through medical camps which focus on screening for lifestyle disorders and cancer, and are committed to working with patients every step of the way, providing focused interventions, personalized one-on-one consultations, and periodic follow-ups to track their health progress. Utilizing our in-house developed AI platform, we ensure seamless digital support throughout their health journey. Our vision expands even further as we aim to establish Premadhara centers across India, providing all these services under one roof. The mission has already begun by screening over 200 people in Tier 2 cities in and around Bangalore. Premadhara's ambitious goal is to extend screenings to every corner of the nation, all absolutely free of cost to the end beneficiaries. But we cannot do it alone. We need partnerships like yours to make it happen. With Premadhara leading the charge, and through collaborations with corporate social responsibility CSR partners sharing a similar vision, we aspire to realize this goal on a monumental scale. Together, with Premadhara and its CSR allies, we can transform the landscape of healthcare accessibility in India. By sponsoring our year-long rural health program or our specialized cancer screening program and medical camps, you can help provide essential screenings and improve health outcomes in undeserved villages across India. With Premadhara, the outcomes speak for themselves. But it's not just about numbers, it's about changing lives. And it's not just about screenings. We are building a network of volunteers dedicated to promoting wellness and supporting those in need. Together, let's make a difference. Join us today in partnership with Premadhara and help us bring preventive healthcare to every corner of the nation.